Hi, I'm Rob Allen, and I wanted to go over with you the features and benefits of our RangeMaster shoulder kit. The newest item in the shoulder kit is our shoulder wand, which is now collapsible. We've added threaded connectors, and we've added an ergonomic handle, also threaded. Therapists asked us for a device that would allow the patient to do some isometric resistance exercise that allowed them to pull as well as push, maintaining the proper hand positioning so there's no impingement in the shoulder joint. That's the RangeMaster shoulder wand. You're familiar with our RangeMaster shoulder pulley, over the door webbing strap, and I'm sure you're familiar with our RangeMaster shoulder flex and in the door shoulder exerciser that features the TheraLoop door anchor for tube and banding exercise. It slides in the hinge side of the door and can be adjusted to any height in the door, so it won't conflict with the correct exercise positioning. Also, there's a non-slip surface on the door anchor so it won't slide up or down during the exercise. And our handle prevents the patient from coming into contact with the tube or banding. Finally is our Flipchart exercise guide. You'll see that we have exercises demonstrated for both range of motion as well as strengthening exercises and the stretching exercises. And there are also terminology guides here for the patient so they know what the therapist means when they say flexion, extension, internal and external rotation. We put it all together in this nice drawstring bag so the entire kit is portable and can be taken to the clinic, can be taken back home, and it can be taken on the road. That's our RangeMaster shoulder kit.